Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a vlog for you guys. It's going to be a how my day goes as a new mom. I don't know if I'm going to be able to show as much footage of the baby because, you know, I want her life to be a bit more private compared to mine. But yeah, I'm going to try and vlog this day for you guys, and I know a lot of you guys like my vlogs, so I hope you guys enjoy. I am excited because I'm going to be collaborating today with a lovely person I found on Instagram. Her name is Mariam. She has in fact got a YouTube channel, which I did not know. She reached out to me on one of my stories because I was complaining about the fact that nobody watches YouTube anymore, but yeah, she didn't know I did YouTube, and then she found out, and then I found out on that day as well that she does YouTube. So I started watching some of her videos, and she's such a lovely, funny, down-to-earth girl, a woman that has some beautiful children, and she does actually show her children on camera. So if you guys want to see some cute kids as well, then definitely go check out her vlog. Yeah, she's going to be doing a vlog too, and the vlog we've got for you guys today is, have I just mentioned it? Did I mention it? Yeah, the vlog we've got for you guys today is the day in the life of a mum, or the day in the life of us being mums. So yeah, go check out her Instagram. Her Instagram I'll post down below, and her YouTube channel I'll post down below. Go check her out, send her some love. And to any of you guys who are following me from her channel, thank you so much. I already have some new subscribers. Hello, I hope you guys are well and have listened. I am going to be doing a get to know me video soon for you new lovely subscribers, and if you have any other video suggestions, leave them down below, and let's get on with the vlog. Since I've been talking so much, let's get on with the vlog. The time is 1 p.m. and I finally got up from my bed. Reason is because I was awake at 4 a.m, 5 a.m, 7 a.m, you name it, with the baby, feeding her and stuff. So I finally done the bed, and so I'm just gonna go and get ready, have a shower. My husband's got Jannah, and this is how my day starts off. Hey guys, yes, I am in a towel because I haven't got a scarf on, but I do like having a balti bath. That's just how I was raised as a kid, to just have a bath like that. And I could have a shower, we do have a shower, but I just hate it when it gets hot and cold. So I'd rather just put all my water in a balti and just use that, and I'll get my shower done quick. So yes, currently, for the past couple of months I've been using this toothpaste, and at first I hated the taste of it, but it's okay now. But I really do miss my, oh, it's not here, oh, it is here. This is our family toothpaste. I do really miss this one. This one whitens my teeth and cleans my teeth at the same time, and I've noticed my teeth aren't as white anymore, so I am going to go back to using this after I finish the Sensodyne. Gotta stay quiet. Yeah, Jonah's asleep. I've put her white noise on, so if you hear any like sea noises in the back, it's because of that. But I've had my shower. I gave Jenna a bath as well, because she has like an eczema flare up on the sides of her face, and it's been pretty bad, and alhamdulillah it's getting better now. So I gave her a bath, and she's had her milk and she's gone to sleep. She hasn't been sleeping a lot lately, and then just yesterday she just fell asleep at like 9 o'clock and didn't want to wake up, but then she was awake at like 11 and didn't sleep until 1 a.m, and then that's why, and then she kept waking up in the night, so that's why we wake up so late. And now I'm gonna have my cereal. I wanted to show you guys my IKEA haul, but I've just not had time. I went to IKEA a couple of weeks ago, yeah, and I've just not had time. So I'm going to show you one of the items I got because my mom really needs it. So this was the set I got from IKEA. It's called Smabbit, and it comes with a peeler and a little baby knife. I hope the knife's... Yay, I charged my battery in time. We have come to Home Bargains, and I need to go to Iceland because we have a voucher to use. This is part of the daily vlog, acting like I go out when I don't.
Is this what you want?
It's so dark, what can we even record? Like, this is a perfect time for me to vlog Jannah because no one can see it. Is the door locked?
No.
Wait there, let me do it. Let's go. Chill bell. Home bargains first for Iceland first.
Yeah, because if you go on your own, how are you going to carry the stuff? You're just going to put it at the bottom of there.
That's what I would have done, yeah. Just come with me then. Come with me and you'll see the imagination.
Take a look and you'll see something from imagination. You didn't.
La la la. 2 bags is enough for home bargains.
Yeah, I'm a next one.
She's asleep. Ooh, that looks nice. Cannot believe it's 7:56 and we're still outside. We're going home in a bit though now. Jannah is probably starving, but we are going home now. We just had to go drop up some food at our sister's and then that's it. We've just done far too much shopping today. I'm too tired. Let's go home. This is a jam right here. If you know the song, then we're friends.
There's only a few chips though, if you think about it.
Chips. I think I'll just make it in this one.
Looks like cat food, never mind.
Oh, my battery's dying. I'm making this hot chicken flavour ramen, but it is a bit spicy, so I'm adding extra noodles in there and extra onions. And plus, when you have it like this, the jajang version, it never fills you up, so you need more.
It's fire noodle, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's fire noodles, I can't handle it. So I'm making it double the amount.
Like the yellow to you.
Okay, so my onions have browned. My noodles are cooking here. I forgot to put the flakes in there, so I'm going to do that now. Can't even see it because the camera's steamed up. I just forgot to put the second pack of noodles in there, so I've just done that now. Put the onions in. Okay, they're cooked and they look super, super delicious. And it's here!
I'm done relating.
My Strivectin parcel finally came. I've just opened it with my comb.
In the mirror.
There's, they've left me a nice little note.
No, you don't miss order confirmation.
Order confirmation.
Billing address. It says MA Super B Oil, AR Nightly Renewal 000. Thanks for shopping with us. Yes, it's basically like an order. They're here. The products are here. I think these products are aimed towards like older people. because they're supposed to be for wrinkles and stuff.
Anti-aging.
So anti-aging, yeah. This is the multi-action. The multi-action Super B barrier strengthening oil, with vitamin B3 and prebiotics.
You know what that means?
Yeah, it just means it's
anti-aging.
yeah. And then there's the advanced retinol. I've only ever owned one retinol product, but I don't know how I felt about it because I lost it. This is a nightly renewal moisturizer with retinol and retinal NIA114. So it says it's for night. And that's my 2 giveaway prizes. Yeah! Thank you, Strivective, for finally sending them to me. Thank you.
Can you open the box?
Am I supposed to open the box?
John, we just want to see.
Yeah, it's just that looks shady.
Are we actually in the shot in the mirror? That's the new release.
That's a new release, according to my niece.
Oi.
And that rhymed.
Sunscreen.
And there's like a little note in there. Cheat note.
It's like dry or something.
And it like medicine. Okay, let's open this. This feels heavy, you know. Oh, that's a lot. How much mil is that?
35, 40 mils.
30 mil? But why is it so heavy? It's because it's a glass bottle. Why did they cover it in plastic then?
Anybody buying that? I like it.
Can I see? Because you've got
Nice. Yeah, there's another cheat note. There's another cheat note in there.
They're still stingy. Only 2 products.
Well, that was what the giveaway was for.
Oh, it's for 4.
Let me touch it.
Are you mad?
Let me touch it.
You can't. You will instantly get old if you touch it.
No.
You will. Okay, and that's the unboxing portion of this video. Now my Jannah's crying, so I'm going to grab her. I'll talk to you guys later.
It's a baby.
This little kitty has come to our door, and he's not even our cat. I'm going to give him some chicken.
If you don't get scratched you,
Oh my god, he just knocked it out of my hand. Colour.
he doesn't like.
Oh, he's trying to run away with it. Whoa, he just grabbed it. He's a bit harsh. I failed. It's 11 p.m. and I've tried to put Jannah to sleep. She's not going to sleep. She's just going... brr, brr. She's blowing raspberries, aren't you? There, can you hear her? Okay, so I'm having a cup of tea. This is desi tea. And I'm going to have... Sorry about the mess in my room. I'm going to sort it out tonight. But I'm going to have this. My niece went to Koreatown. Or Chinatown, and she picked this up. This is a custard bun, and it is quite hefty, but I don't care. I'm gonna eat it. Let me show you guys what it looks like inside. Nice, isn't it?
She took her hand out. She took her hand
I know. She's being naughty, girl. I tried to put her to sleep. She won't go to sleep. There, the custard's in there. You can't really see it much, but it is in there. There. Let's eat. Lovely scenery up on the TV to watch. She wakes up to put her to sleep as well. What an eventful day I've had today. Yes, it's definitely been busy and not every day is like this, but I happened to vlog today and this is how the day turned out. But tomorrow hopefully I'll have more of a chill day. Anyways, yes, Jannah has finally gone down for her sleep. It is, well, she went to sleep at 11:15 and I've just come downstairs. I'm gonna get changed into my pajamas and wash this makeup off and, you know, get ready for bed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did make it to the end, thank you so much. I hope you guys will stick around and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, don't forget to check out Mariam's video and yeah, let her know I sent you the yeah. And I'm so glad I got to know her. We got to actually collaborate with her, and she's a cool mom. Okay guys, right, I've got to go because I am clearly knackered. I'll talk to you guys in another vlog or another video. But yes, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye. Let's get changed into our PJs. All ready. Now I just need to wash my face off and go to bed.